fine. Devil Horn, salute for whoever will watch. Yeah, my viewing's been down. My subscriptions won't grow. Here we are out in nature. Got out of the house. Here's a little hidden pond. Love it. Somebody threw a fucking tire back there. This is a conservation area. Magic Mel there. We're out in nature. Oh, hey, look at this. There's an archery range. Look at that, Mel. Yeah, there's an archery range on the other side of the street there. Check that out. Let's put that back right where I found it. Yeah, we're in early spring. Nothing's growing yet, thank God. There might be a copperhead out, maybe getting some sun somewhere. Ain't too sticky, ain't too bad. No, I've seen this down here where it's flooded. No, my channels that got pulled, I'd made videos back in here a few years ago. And then I think during the floods, yeah, this is prone to flooding back in here. This is all conservation area. And it goes back about 1.5 miles, 2 miles. There's another little pond back there. Yeah, you can just drive 2 minutes outside of the hood and here you are in nature. That's what I love about where we live. We're not going that far. It's too far to walk. Yeah, all this is going to get growed up here soon. Of course, I got to walk back to the car, so that'll be challenging. Nature just ain't what nature was. When I get down there, there's a creek, and then the trail runs back there. There's another pond back there, and then I've got a picture still I use on Facebook. A trail that goes down into a valley, and then you go back over there, there's a lake. Yeah, it's a healthy walk. One that I'm not willing to make anymore. I'm just happy I got this far today. Yeah. Little things in nature. Now, we've been cooped up for a while. We don't do a whole lot anymore. It's St. Patrick's Day, so we were trying to go to the thrift store, and they were closed for remodeling. So it's like, let's just come down here to the nature area. There ain't too much litter. I mean, you know, a beer bottle here and there. Really, it's kind of clean. Except for that tire bullshit. Yeah, it's windy out here today. It's windy. This is normally tall, and they mowed it all down. Trying to stay in the trees a little bit to keep the wind off of us. No, it's March. Yeah, it's kite season, isn't it? Yeah, March is Missouri kite season, definitely. We had a lot of wind this year. Yeah, I've taken good pictures here. It does, when the grass is tall and you come out here at the right time of day and the colors, it makes beautiful pictures. I'm not seeing no birds, Mel. You know, I'm seeing more hawks in my neighborhood here of lately. I ain't seeing shit out here for birds. Man, it's breezy out here today. Well, these goofy hats have a chin strap, but we always cut them off. Ain't no big deal to hold on to a hat. Even if I had a baseball hat, it'd blow off me today. I think we we get out here, once, maybe twice a year. Yeah, this is usually tall. Yeah, this shit's usually tall. Somebody coming up. Nice truck. It's one of them trucks that cost the price of a house. There's that dog poop. Now this is the old highway here. It'll take you all the way down to the lake, and you can see the old highway in the lake. Sometimes you could even walk across it if the lake's low enough. Take you all the way to Deepwater. I always appreciate the little nature walk. Yeah, see, that's the old highway. See all the driftwood and shit that's made it up here in the different rocks. Last time I was here, I found a hawk feather. I'm not seeing no birds out here. Could take some, yeah, I could use one of them things at home. Flint, pieces of flint. You used to be able to find arrowheads and shit out here all the time, but it's been pretty well picked over by all the tweakers through the years. You ain't gonna find shit no more. But here's the old highway. And it'll take you straight down to the lake. So, little nature walk. Hit my like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate the views.